Hi, I'm Becky Streepy from Glue and Glitter, and today I'm answering a frequently asked question. I actually encountered this question, or I guess misconception, a few years ago when a registered dietitian told me that she didn't like to give her kid plant-based milks because they contain too much sugar. This shocked me and I actually didn't know what to say, so I did a little bit of research and I've heard this come up quite a few times recently, so I thought, why don't I answer that question? Why do plant milks contain added sugars? The truth is, cow's milk contains sugar. It contains a natural sugar called lactose, which gives it a sweet flavor. When companies make vegan milk, they'll often add sugar to give it that sweet taste that people expect from cow's milk. What's really interesting is that a lot of vegan milks actually contain less sugar per serving than cow's milk does. A cup of 2% milk contains 12 grams of sugar, which is just shy of a teaspoon. To find out how plant milks measure up, I raided my fridge. I had a carton of cheap store brand soy milk in there, and I checked the nutritional information and it only contains 6 grams. That's half of what you would find in cow's milk. I hope this short video answered your questions about why companies add sugar to vegan milk. If you have any questions I didn't address, feel free to drop a comment. I'm always happy to help. And don't forget to rate and subscribe. Happy cooking!